morning, everyone. I'm Kashmir Sharma. Today, I'm going to make a delicious paneer sandwich. I have some cucumber, paneer, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, tomatoes, onion. So let's start. First, I will cut yellow bell pepper. Actually, I don't like yellow bell pepper. That's why I use a little. I have 4 slices of bread. First, I take a big bowl. Add the cucumber. Mix it evenly. We add white sauce. And mix it evenly. Chaat masala. Now this mixture into bread slice. I will use cheese upper part of the bread. Now I'll place my bread on here. Now my delicious and healthy paneer sandwich is ready to eat. If you like this video, so like, say, subscribe. Bye.